It's a modest family home with awesome privacy. 100 square metres, 3-bedroom home. Open plan living, kitchen, dining and lounge. We've got high grade flooring coverings throughout the home. Extended the 3rd bedroom into a conservatory. We've maximised the bathroom space. Double glazed the windows and doors. Installed a heat pump for comfort. Insulation up in the ceiling and underfloor. We've refreshed the paintwork inside and out. Built an external deck towards the park. We've asphalted the yard for excellent drainage. There's ample car parking for 2 vehicles. We've got a small garden shed. Bev has preserved the features of the established citrus trees and planted a low maintenance screen for privacy with a window view to the park and softball diamond. The house is in close proximity to the schools and handy to a range of community facilities, and the city bus is close by.